Ladies and gentlemen, Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial, Belgium, Wisconsin today. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're pretty excited to show you a bunch of generators we just got in here at the shop. I think we unloaded a total of 12 of this same unit. We'll do a pano here in just a second and show you all the units sitting in our yard. Here's one of them we just got done servicing, put new oil, fluids, and filters in, and it was test run, and we're gonna go ahead and run it for you on video today. But what are we looking at? These are 230 kW machines. They are 12208 volt, 3-phase, currently set up to run that way. If you are watching and a member of our YouTube channel, you would have noticed we put a video up on a machine that's very similar to this, but it had a Volvo engine. We had 1 out of 12 have a Volvo, and the rest of them have these 5-cylinder Scania engines. They are a very well-built engine. We're going to give you some specifications at the end of the video. If you have any questions, I can certainly answer them for you. But this is a great machine. Let's break it down piece by piece. We're looking at a sound attenuated aluminum enclosure. So that comes in handy if you're anywhere on the coastal areas and you're trying to stay away from a steel enclosure. So these enclosures are made out of aluminum. They have a sound attenuation to them. There's 475 gallon base mounted fuel tank on each one of these machines. The package itself was built by Power Secure. They're the ones that put the Scanias with the McAulty generator ends. Let's break it down a little simpler here. We've got a 5-cylinder diesel, turning a 230 kW generator end, currently wired to 12208 volt, but it is a 12 lead gen end. It will do other voltages. However, the switch gear, which we'll show you in just a second, is currently wired for 12208. I believe the bus is only rated for that, but there are ways to get these things to operate at 480 if that is the case for you. So we're pretty excited about them for several reasons. They have Tier 4i emissions rating on them. So it's the latest and greatest when it comes to tier emissions. So they have the DEF tanks and everything on the engines inside the enclosures here. So again, with the sound attenuation, there's a transformer. I apologize, there is a transfer switch built right into the switchgear. We're gonna get over there in just a second. That's a 1200 amp transfer switch and a NEMA 1 enclosure built right inside this enclosure. So everything's in one package. So you've got your base tank, your enclosure, your transfer switch, your gen set, DEF tank, enclosure, enclosed muffler and everything here, all under one house. That saves you space. It saves you cabling. So pretty exciting. Let's walk over here. We'll show you how this is set up. So what we're looking at here, this side is a transfer switch, and this side is your main circuit breaker. So inside here we have a 1200 amp main circuit breaker, electronic trip, and there's also a 1200 amp breaker style transfer switch built right in here. So, I mean, just in circuit breakers alone, there's quite a bit of value built right into these gear. We've got a Power Secure Woodward EASYGEN controller up here. Power Secure just labeled it, but it's a Woodward generator controller. And then a quick panel over here, a GE quick panel for the transfer switch. That is a Windows-based operation. So everything is unit mounted start and stop if you'd like. I believe they had these, this came out of a commercial grocery chain that failed down south, and they had these set up to be able to remote start. So let's go ahead. A little hard to see these screens in the sun, but let's go ahead and see if we can fire this thing up here for you. Okay, folks, come on over here. Take a quick pan here. We've got, I think, like I said, 11 of these with the Scanias in them. One with a Volvo. So they range anywhere from the year 2010 all the way to 2014. So far, I think we're through 4 of the engines. There hasn't been an engine over 30 hours, total hours yet, original run hours. I'm not saying that'll be the case towards the end of some of these other ones, but so far, even the 2010 model engines have had less than 30 hours. So, I mean, for what you're looking at, it's a late model Tier 4i, the best emissions you can get. Great package, aluminum enclosure with the base tank, transfer switch, and main breaker and everything set up inside of each unit. So it really is a full package. We're excited about these. So give us a shout at the office. We can walk you through any questions you may have. We're trying to acquire some drawings right now on the switchgear to make it easy for your install. It really is a very versatile, user-friendly package, and we want to help you. So give me a shout at the office if you have questions. 262-476-5045, or just get on our website at gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.